Hi guys. In last video we seen about if and else topic, right? So today our topic is for loop is very simple topic as if and else. So we go through the for loop topic and then we discuss one or two examples in that in Java as well as Python, right? Here in for loop we write uh, initialization of variable and condition and increment or decrement based on the problem. We see simple for loop in that. Simple for loop for here I am taking I equals to 0. It is initialization. Okay, I am taking I value is 0. I am take then condition I less than 10. We take any number. Okay, I am taking 10. I plus plus increment operator. Then we write any kind of code in the block. I am using um, just simple print statement. Okay, and what need to print? Okay, it needs to print I value. Okay, this is a simple for loop. Okay, it is a simple for loop. How it works? Let's see. Okay, let's go with notes. Okay, yeah. First, I value is 0, right? I value is 0. Then I less than 10. 0 less than 10, correct. So it enters into the block of code and execute the value. So it print the print 0. Present I value is 0. Then later I plus plus, it means I increment to 1. I increment to 1. So then so then 1 less than 10. So again it prints the value is, again it prints the 1. Then I value equals to 3 because increment operator. So up to 9 the process is same. Then after 9 the increment operator increase the I value, so then 10. So 10 less than 10, actually 10 equals to 10 it's okay, but 10 less than 10 means it is a false. So loop is terminated. So then yeah, so after that we get only values up to 9 only. So let's try to check it. Yeah, let's see here from 0 to 9, because after 9 it get the value is 10. 10 less than 10, so condition is fail. So we get the up to 9. For example, it starts from 1. So yeah, it starts from 1 to 9. If you want 10 also less than or equals to, so at the time of 10, 10 less than or equal to 10 equal to 10. So at the time we get the 10 also. So it from 1 to 10. This is the simple for loop. Okay, I want to I want to get the numbers in reverse order. So at that time what we need to do? So I'm taking here 10. So I'm taking so present I value is 10. So I less than or equals to 10. Okay, so that's why we get the value 10 one time. So we need to then we didn't get any value because I becomes 11 then. So 11 less than or equals to 10 is a false condition. So we need to change our we need to expect 10, 9, 8, 7, this kind of value. So present I value is 10. mm, I must be greater than 0. Okay, I must be greater than 0. Okay, 10 is also greater than 0. 9 is also greater than 0. 8, 7, 6 up to 1, every number is greater than 0. Present I value is 10. I greater than 0, condition also correct. But here we need to mention decrement operator. So I value is 10, I greater than 0. So condition is correct. So I value will be print. I value print 10 value. Then I minus minus. It means the value I becomes 9. 9 greater than 0. again it prints the 9 value, then again 8 up to 1 it prints the value. Then what happens, it becomes 0 greater than 0, it's a false condition, so it stops until that. So let's check that. We need to print 10 9 8 some, it's like that up to 1. So yeah, we get the result 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. If you want 0, then we need to mention equal operator, then yeah, we get 0 also. This is a simple for loop. We seen as increment operator as well as decrement operator. Then what we do, okay, let's do same program in Python. Actually Python, it is a, actually in Python we how we'll write, we write as for int I equals to 10, I less than equals to condition something, right? So but here we write simple for I in range, we mention up to 10, up to 10. So up to 10 means it starts from 0 and ends at 9. Okay, it ends print I. For that we get, for that we get 0 0 to 9 because it didn't consider the last value. It means it's okay, for clear understanding. Okay, once again, yeah, we get the 0 to 9. Okay, it starts from 0. Actually it didn't, it starts from 0. Okay, here it starts from 0 and it's at 9. We mentioned the 10 means it end at 9 only. Okay, so last number it didn't consider. So for that we get 0 to 9. I want to numbers from not 0. If I didn't mention the 0, it defaultly take 0. If I mention the value, it take it that value. So I am mentioning 5. So it prints from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it didn't consider the 10. So we get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. Yeah, 5 here seen 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is very simple in Python. Okay, I want to in reverse order. So as well as I want 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 in that way. So for that I need to mention starting value, okay, and the ending value means 10 to 0, 10 9 7 6 in that way. So 0 means it didn't consider the last value, so we get 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So and in decrement order means we need to mention another argument like -1. Yeah, this is the procedure to get in reverse order. Let's check it. Yeah, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, we get the order in reverse order. So that's very simple for loop in Python as well as Java. So in Java we write for I in range. It is a simple English sentence for I in range. I is the variable and 10 is the starting number, second number is last number but it not considered, and -1 indicates the reverse order. Let's try to deep dive into the concept. For I in range, here I is the variable, okay, as we know. 10 is the starting value, okay, and second value is ending value, but ending value not printed, okay. Then -1 means it is nothing but decrement operator, okay. 10 after I value becomes 9, after I value becomes 8, I am giving -2. Then first value is 10, then again 10 minus 2 8, then I value becomes 8, again 8 minus 2 I value becomes 6. In that way it works. Let's see. Yeah, first I value is 10, then -2 I value is 8, then -2 the I value is 6, then 4, then 2, then 0. Last value is not printed, so 2. That's it. That's a simple for loop concept. Then in later videos we discuss about nested if else and thank you, and please subscribe and share and like. It will help for the students who are trying to learn the coding, and we are I try to solve the programs in very easy manner. So please share and subscribe and please like it. Thank you.